Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that turbo token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Turbo is an Ethereum based meme coin uniquely created by artificial intelligence, emphasizing community culture over traditional utility. AI generated origin. It was created in April 2023 using GPT-4 and a $69 budget by artist Rachel McKind. Community driven meme assets. It operates as a pure tax free meme token powered by its holder community engagement and social momentum. Evolving ecosystem. The project includes plans for Turbo Chain and Ethereum Layer 2 network, where Turbo would be the native gas token. Turbo project institution rating is 3.8. Turbo token total supply is around 69 billion and circulating supply is also 69 billion Turbo token. Turbo token is listed on popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.